Hi, this is Hamatsumi. I belong to the Technical Support Center. From now on, I will introduce the VTC of CONPROSYS. VTC is a visual task control. It's a kind of visual programming tool. It provides I/O control, files creating to send to the cloud, and communicate through the network or the serial. What is VTC? The VTC can create a process, like a flowchart. This flowchart is written down like this VTC. A switch input is this. This if is here. Setting output value is this set constant. A ramp output is this. This return line is the jump return. This line is here. This setting output value is this set constant. This line is here. The VTC is almost as same as a flowchart. Understanding is so easy. Then I will show you the creation and execution of the control process that judge the switch input and then turn the ramp on and off. Please start up your web browser. All CONPROSYS settings are made from a web browser. Please set CONPROSYS IP address. Default is 10.1.1.101. Please set ID and password. For your safety, change them when official operating. This is CONPROSYS web setting. Please select Task Edit from this menu. This is the VTC Task Editor. I show you a task making. Drag and drop the input item. Set the item properties input from DI02. Please select from the device tree. Set the item comment switch like this. Drag and drop the determine item. Set the item properties set equal. Then the switch is checked on or off. Drag and drop the set constant for the ramp output. This is on. Set the item properties set 1 for on to tag 01. Drag and drop the output for the ramp. Set the properties output to DO00. Please select from the device tree and choose the tag 01, its output value. Set the comment ramp on. Set the comment on for ramp. Drag and drop the jump to return the top. Set the property select return. Then it returns to the starting point 0, 0. Next is the off side of the ramp. Copy and paste this set constant. Ctrl C to copy. Ctrl V to paste. Set the item properties set 0 for off to tag 01, its output value. Set the comment off for ramp. Connect items with this knob. Copy and paste. Change the knob direction property to the left. Let's set the determine comment to switch. Let's change this output comment. This is for on and off, set to output only. The creation is finished. Let's save it. From this file, select Save Task. Select the task you want to save. I will stop execution. Also, please save to in ROM. If you don't do this, the program will be cleared after shutdown. Let's save to in ROM. How to debug? From this view, select Debug. This step button is to run step by step, and this debug run button is to run slowly. Let's debug run. The green position is running. Now the switch is off. The determine goes to the right. Let's turn on the switch. The determine goes to the bottom. The lamp will be on. Turn off. Right side. Let's run at normal speed. Please see the response. Switch on, switch off, switch on, off. Finally, I show you the task status. From this view, select status. It's a running position, and the running speed is the time to return to the 00 position. Finally, I explain the tags. The tag is a kind of box that holds values. There are numeric variables and string variables. The numeric types are tag and L tag. The string type are S tag and LS tag. The number of tags is 500. It's accessible from all tasks and HMI. Next, the number of L tag is 100 per task. It's not accessible from other tasks and HMI. The strings is also same. Again, tag and stag are global common variables. They can be accessed from all tasks. And also, they can be accessed from HMI. LTAG and LSTAG are local variables. Only owner task can access them. Other tasks cannot access them. Next time, I will show you how to send a file to a FTP server. This is the VTC task. I am using a timer item to run every minute. It also creates a CSV style file. The file items can create a CSV file easily. What's more, FTP transition can be done with only one GIS item. The CONPROSYS is a convenient device. The VTC is just one part of it. Please use it to help your project. See you next. Thank you.